Hey fam, today we're cooking egg fried rice, and I hope Uncle Roger approves.
Haiyaaaa.
I want to become the first Uncle Bigfoot.
We'll need 5 garlic cloves and 2 shallots. Chop them nice and small, just like Asians. We bake 3 eggs. They'll go straight into the wok. Make sure the wok is hot. Add oil and get ready.
In go garlic and spring onion whites. Stir fry till fragrant.
Scramble the eggs on one side. Keep it fluffy, not overcooked.
Now this day-old rice gives the best texture dough. Don't skip this important step.
2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and little MSG cap, the holy trinity. Mix well.
Toss it like crazy to tell you are a pro. Haiyaaaa! That smoky aroma, perfection.
Add chili and spring onions last. One final toss, then off the heat.
Serve it hot. Color's perfect, smell is unreal.